If you have a MacBook Neo and an Android phone and you think you'll be transferring files to and from, then here's what you need to do. So first, on your MacBook Neo, go ahead and download an app called OpenMTP. So you're gonna go to your favorite browser, just search OpenMTP. And from the search results, you wanna go to this particular website, which is openmtp.genshrivel.com. That exact URL. I'm gonna leave it linked in the description below. So from here, you want to download the Apple Silicon version of this application. So you just go ahead and click on that button that says download for Apple Silicon. Click on allow because of course the MacBook Neo is an Apple Silicon. It's not really, it's actually an A11 Bionic, but just download the Apple Silicon version. So just wait for that download to finish up. Go to the downloads folder, double click on it, and then drag the icon into the applications folder to get the app installed. Now, once you do that, you can close everything. Now let's launch OpenMTP. So since it's installed, you can find it in Spotlight. Double click on it to launch the app. Now, if it's the first time, it's going to warn you that this is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? So since we know what it is, I'm just going to go ahead and click on open. And there's the app. You can see some information about it. Just close that. Then have some settings. You can close that as well. So this is what this app looks like. The left-hand side is going to be your MacBook Neo's files, and the right-hand side is going to be your Android phone. So let's connect this Android phone, which happens to be just a normal Samsung phone. We're going to connect it to the MacBook Neo via a Type-C to Type-C cable. So let's just go ahead and connect that. And once it's connected, it might be connected for charging only. So you might just want to go and swipe, tap on this, and then make sure it's set to transferring files. Okay. So once you set it up like that, let's go ahead and refresh at the top there. So once you get them to connect, now again on your Android phone, especially if it's a Samsung, you want to make sure you select transferring files when you connect to a USB device. So just swipe down, select USB 4, and then it's going to be charging only by default. Make sure you set it to transferring files. So now these are the files and folders inside your Samsung phone, and these are the files and folders inside your Mac. So now it's very easy to sort of just transfer files to and from. So for instance, I can open the desktop of my Mac. You might have to give some permissions, and this is the desktop of my Mac. And then I can go to the DCIM folder, go to the camera folder of my Samsung phone, and I can just simply drag and drop files to and from. So you can see that photo has just been dragged from my phone to the desktop of my Mac. And then I can drag another picture there, just like that. And now if I have a look, let's minimize this. If I have a look on my desktop, I should see some new photos which I didn't have before, like this ones. Okay, so these are directly from the phone. So that is basically how to do that, how to transfer files like photos and videos and other types of files from either your phone to your Mac or from your Mac to your phone. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.